everyone, welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today I have an unboxing and double handbag reveal for you guys. I'm super excited because these two bags are absolutely nothing like what I already have in my collection, and I have actually done a review about maybe a month or so ago on this brand already called Joseph'n'Stacy. They're two totally different bags that I'm super excited to share, so let's get started. So it comes in this tube right here. Yes, I know. When I first got it, I was like, whoa, that is like really, really cool. You open it right at the top. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, there you go. And inside, I'm not even gonna tell y'all to guess because I'm sure y'all, it will take you guys forever. So let me go ahead and reveal. So as I take it out, it's wrapped in this beautiful Joseph'n'Stacy packaging paper. Very cute. And I'm going to ta-da! Y'all are like probably still confused, but let me open it up for you guys. Oh my gosh, let me just look. I love this color. So this is the Joseph'n'Stacy Lucky Pleats Knit, and it is a part of their summer collection. This is in the color Strawberry Milk. So it has like this very, it's like a nudie pink color. I love it. And towards the bottom, it's like an off-white or like a cream-like color. Oh my gosh, so adorable. This retails for $89 US. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys, the US website, because I know last time when I reviewed the two other bags that I have from Joseph'n'Stacy, some of you wanted to buy it, but you guys were having issues getting to the US Joseph'n'Stacy site. So I'll link it down below for you guys, but this is what it looks like, and yes, it stretches out kind of like this, so this is what it'll really look like, and I absolutely love it. A little bit about the bag. Obviously, it is very unique, and I feel like because of the design and style of the bag, it pretty much matches almost anything you wear. And if you guys aren't really into like the two-tone colors, they do also have it in like one solid color on their site. I believe they have it in vanilla, blue, silver, and black. But I just love the summer collection that they came out with, and I really, really like these two colors. I feel like me holding it up right now does it no justice. Totally check out my Instagram at Dee.LaVigne. I have a picture up of me wearing it with items in it. The second bag, because I got another one but in a different color, and it's this one right here. I already unboxed it. I did it just so I could show you guys what it looks like with things in it. So I have my long wallet and my 6 key ring holder in here. So far, it could totally fit way more, but I kind of wanted to just share what it looked like with the items inside the bag. And this is in the color, you guessed it, watermelon. I love it so much, you guys. Again, I'm totally just into really unique, different bags, especially this summer. I feel like now is the time to totally rock these types of pieces. And I love that, you know, like retro, vintagey type things are in right now, because I totally have a lot of retro, vintage like pieces in my wardrobe. So I'm just so happy to pick this up. I think it's just, again, just so different So versatile. I love the material. It's very, very stretchy. You can fit a lot of things in it. I hear it's actually getting pretty popular this summer in Korea, and some Korean celebrities have been seen wearing this bag as well. I say as well because I mentioned that in my last Josephine video with my Oz bag that I really, really love. I'll go ahead and link a picture of the Korean celebrity wearing it, because I know last time one of you guys had asked to see like which celebrity was wearing it. So I'll go ahead and link that picture for you guys as well in the description box. But yeah, I love it so much. It's totally different and totally me. I really, really, really like it. Is it just me, or like, do you guys, I don't know, sometimes I just like different things. I mean, don't get me wrong, classics are totally something that I feel like every woman or every person should have in their wardrobe. They should have a few like classic staple pieces that are like just timeless. But I also think that going too classic for absolutely everything is just boring, and I don't feel like fashion should be boring. And I think, you know, you should have fun with your wardrobe. And so yeah, that's what I love to do. And so I'm just so excited for these two handbags. Another question I do want to answer really quickly is that if you guys do want to order it, shipping is $10, and it usually takes 4 to 5 days to get to the US. So yeah, you guys, these are my two new handbags. I totally love them. Leave me comments down below. Let me know, what do you guys think of my new handbags? Also, let me know, like, what are some of your items that you feel like you love in your wardrobe that are different and not like the classic, boring, same old staple pieces. That, again, nothing wrong with that. I have it. I love classic. I love timeless, but I also love variety, and I love to be different. I love to wear things that not everybody has, and so I'm just so pleased with my purchase. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and follow me on Instagram at Dee.LaVigne. I always like to post pictures of the things that I talk about and enjoy and love on this channel for you guys to see, just for maybe some outfit inspiration, or if y'all just like to look at, you know, fashion and stuff like I do. Love you guys.